Welcome to your low-carb meal plan.
Starting a low-carb diet can feel overwhelming at first. This 7-day meal plan is designed to help beginners ease into a lower-carb lifestyle. Each day features balanced meals and snacks to support energy, fullness, and enjoyment, while keeping carbohydrates in check. Let's explore how to set yourself up for success during your first week.
Low-carb basics. What to eat and avoid.
A low-carb diet focuses on reducing foods high in sugars and starches. Choose foods like eggs, chicken, fish, non-starchy vegetables, nuts, and healthy oils. Limit bread, pasta, rice, sugary drinks, and most sweets. Reading labels and planning ahead will help you make healthy choices and keep your carb intake low throughout the week.
Day 1 to 2. Simple and satisfying meals.
Start your week strong with easy meals. For breakfast, try scrambled eggs with spinach or Greek yogurt with berries. Lunch might be a chicken salad bowl with olive oil dressing. For dinner, enjoy grilled salmon with steamed broccoli. Snack on nuts, cheese sticks, or celery with hummus when you need extra energy between meals.
Day 3 to 5. Adding variety and flavor.
Keep things interesting as your body adapts. Try omelets with veggies for breakfast or lettuce wraps with lean turkey for lunch. Dinner options include stir-fried tofu and vegetables or baked chicken with cauliflower mash. Snack on avocado, cherry tomatoes, or a small handful of almonds for nutritious, low-carb options.
Day 6 to 7. Staying consistent and planning ahead.
Round out your week with hearty meals like egg muffins for breakfast and grilled shrimp salads for lunch. For dinner, prepare zucchini noodles with meat sauce or a grilled steak with asparagus. Use leftovers for quick meals and prep snacks like hard-boiled eggs or veggie sticks so you always have low-carb options available.
Tips for success on a low-carb diet.
Drink plenty of water and get enough sleep as your body adjusts. Remember, low carb doesn't mean no carb. Enjoy whole foods and plenty of fiber-rich veggies. Listen to your hunger cues and don't skip meals. If you need variety, try new herbs and spices. With this plan, you'll feel more confident embracing your first week of low-carb eating.